Today we are taking a look at the CentraAir style dock leveler from Poweramp. The CentraAir is something that's completely unique to Poweramp, whereas it runs off of an air compressor or in-plant air compared to the traditional style air leveler, which runs off of a blower motor and an electrical 115 volt power. Having the CentraAir run off of compressed air or in-plant air allows us to not have any electrical in the pit itself, and then also makes it completely intrinsically safe right out of the box. How you would operate the dock leveler is going to be a control panel that is a single push button. It can be activated by a pneumatic push it pop it valve, or if you were going to be tying it into a trailer restraint, you can go to the iDock control panel that you see right here that then has an electric options to interlock the dock leveler along with be able to put you into a proper sequence of operation. When the dock leveler reaches its highest point, the leveler's lip kicks out. Once the leveler reaches its highest point, you take your finger off of the push button, and then the dock leveler slowly descends into the bed of the trailer. Every dock leveler comes with a maintenance prop and also a lip latch that you see right here. Anytime you're doing any maintenance underneath the dock leveler, you want to make sure both of those are locked into place to make sure that the dock leveler is in its safest situation possible. As you can see, the Poweramp dock levelers are going to be a structured unit. We've got a four-sided box construction, a front header, rear, and then also the two side members. Depending on the capacity, it's also going to have lip gussets or header gussets going down the hinge line, which typically is the weakest point of a dock leveler. So adding additional steel right at that point makes sure that you have a longer life out of your dock leveler. The rear of the pit will have 27 inches of rear hinge supports. They have three 9-inch pins in the back that also has grease fittings for easy maintenance and greasing. Moving forward, you can see we've got our lip extend prop, and then also our lip banger that allows us to extend the lip all the way out. Every dock leveler is going to have toe guards that you see right here, and then also could be retrofitted with brush weather seal. And then right in the center you see we have our air bellows system. The CA Air Bellows is a steel belted bellows located at the back of the pit, completely out of harm's way. It is a high pressure system that is low volume and does not take up much space underneath the dock leveler. This is in comparison to the traditional airbag leveler, which is a 22-ounce vinyl that is a high volume, low pressure system that requires an electrical outlet at the back of the pit. Tying into the plant air, we run through a regulator, filter, lubricator. We regulate the air down to 90 psi. We filter any debris that might be in the lines, and then also lubricate the air lines with a kill frost to prevent any freezing in cold weather temperatures. Once the air goes through the RFL, we then divert it to the back of the pit. On new construction, we would lay conduit going pit to pit to pit to run all the docks off of one airline system. Or if it is a retrofit application, we take the airlines, we punch it out the building, we run the airlines into the back, underneath the dock bumper, into the back of the pit. The CentraAir dock leveler, by not having any electrical in the pit, can make the dock leveler a perfect application for washdown situations, and then also for anything that might require intrinsically safe applications. Poweramp prides itself with the structural superiority of their dock levelers. We utilize structural C-channels and I-beams depending on the capacities throughout all of our dock levelers. By having structural C-channels underneath it allows us to have very good weld penetration, which prevents popping of any welds and also extends the longevity of your dock leveler. The CA dock leveler and the iDock communication panel can be integrated with multiple different types of trailer restraints, like the TPR Unilock trailer restraint we see here. This was our CentraAir air-powered style dock leveler. Please contact your regional for more information.